Interested in winning some free yarn? Continue watching this Wool-Ease DK yarn review and I'll tell you how to enter the giveaway. My name is Rachel Alford from Cozy Nooks Designs, and today we're going to do a cozy yarn review of Wool-Ease DK yarn. In this cozy yarn review, we're going to go over cost, offered colors, ease of use, and yarn feel. And then I'm going to give a rating out of 10 for Wool-Ease DK yarn. The Lion Brand Yarn Wool-Ease line is a classic. I just recently did a Wool-Ease Aire review that you can find here. They released that yarn at the end of last year, and I just love Wool-Ease. So when I heard that there was going to be a Wool-Ease DK yarn, I literally think I squealed out loud. The hype was there. So did this yarn live up to my expectations? Let's find out together. So let's start off with, in my opinion, the most important part, the cost or the value of Wool-Ease DK yarn. So on Lion Brand's website, it has it for $5.99 per skein, and there's 232 yards per 3-ounce skein. When looking at other weight 3 yarns Lion Brand has to offer, it is a bit less yardage than some other weight 3 yarns, but it's pretty close. When I was working with it, it did feel like the skeins ran out quickly though. Maybe it was just because I was so excited to work with it that I didn't realize how much time had passed. I don't know. Amazon and Walmart both have a 3 skein pack for $20, so $6.67 a skein, but Amazon does offer only 1 skein for $7.41, so if you're in a pinch, you can order it from there. Michaels has it at the same price as Lion Brand yarn, but you have to buy it in a 3-pack, and I don't think they're currently carrying it in stores. Next in our cozy yarn review is O for offered colors. There are 18 colors offered in the Lion Brand Wool-Ease DK line, and honestly, I really love all of the colors. I think they did an excellent job picking the colors. They give an earthy feel with a sprinkling of bright colors. They have really pretty shades, and I love how they have some pretty similar colors, but are slightly different in their hues, because it makes for some fun pairings. I really like the pink shade specifically because I think it's easy to go wrong with pink, but they did a good job getting the pink right in this line. I also really like the shade taupe, just because I think that's a pretty neutral color that I've been gravitating towards as of late. And here are some other pairings that I think look good together, and you may even see some projects later this year that use these color groupings. Next up in our cozy review is Ease of Use. I always like to see how new yarns do center. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm impressed. First try. Let's just see if that was beginner's luck and try on a different skein. Oh no. Oh no. Dang it. Maybe try from the other side. Let's see if it's successful over on this side. Oh no, oh no. Oh, dang it, I got a bit of yarn barf. Oh, well, that's not bad though. Recovered. I think we're okay. Here it is being worked up in crochet. I didn't have any snagging or splitting of the yarn. It worked up beautifully. Enough grip, but not too much. And here I am knitting with it. Again, no problems knitting with it. It just flew right off my needles in a good way. Worked up very fast, and I feel like it has a slightly heavier DK yarn than some other DK yarns, so it worked up faster than I would have anticipated. When comparing my knit gauge to other DK yarns worked in stockinette, I had less stitches per inch, which just means that it is a slightly heavier weight 3 yarn than other DK lines. Last metric on the cozy yarn review is yarn feel. It is 20% wool and 80% acrylic, which is the same makeup as the Wool-Ease weight 4 yarn we all love. So it is warm due to the wool, but I wouldn't describe the yarn itchy at all. Very soft on the skin, and I had no irritation on my skin working with it, and I was working with it for about every day for a month straight, because I was designing a knit and crochet cardigan. Very soft, the drape is perfect, and it blocks very well. My cozy rating for Wool-Ease DK yarn is 9.5 out of 10 stars. Really, the only reason why I docked it half a star is because I felt like the yardage ran out too fast. I wish the yardage was a little bit more per skein, but maybe I'm just being a little greedy with it. I just loved this yarn so much that I just didn't want it to end. I think this yarn would be perfect for a wide range of projects, wearables, scarves, hats, blankets. Really, this yarn is going to become a staple in my yarn stash, I think. So let's talk the giveaway. There will be 2 winners, and each winner will receive 3 skeins of Wool-Ease DK yarn. So there's going to be a winner on YouTube and also a winner on my Instagram. To enter here on YouTube, you just need to subscribe to my channel and drop a comment on this video telling me that you subscribed. And if you're already a subscriber of my YouTube channel, first, I love you. And then second, just drop a comment on this video here telling me that you're already a subscriber. And if you want a bonus entry here on YouTube, drop a comment on this video telling me what you would make with Wool-Ease DK yarn. And if you want to double your chances of winning the Wool-Ease DK yarn, go to my Instagram, Cozy Nooks Designs, that's my handle, and look for the reel that says giveaway on it. It should be towards the top, and then just follow the instructions there. And that's my cozy yarn review for Wool-Ease DK yarn. Wait, before you go, I have these 2 videos right here that I think you'll really like. They're free pattern video tutorials on my channel. One is crochet and one is knit, and they use Wool-Ease DK yarn, so go check them out.